Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm going to do a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I've had this for a while and I've been waiting, but well, you know. So these little tin, they look like a cake tin, but then they have this top here, and we're going to use this. Now if you get this, you can see the difference between this and like this part. That is because they have a sticker that took me probably a half hour to get off. I used Goo Gone, I used the pink stuff, and that's probably why there's little scratches on here. But it's okay. I think it's pretty, and I am excited to use this and make it. So I got a bunch of the succulent clips, just all different ones. Well, these are the picks. And then I also got the clips as well. And one of the foams. And it doesn't fit in there, right? You guys, this is quick and easy. Just take this, lift it up, and look at that. It fits in there. And you see that it doesn't need to go all the way across. I will show you why. We are going to push that down so it is hidden. And then you can take these and you can stick them in there if you want to, or you could just stick them in here, and that's going to hold everything the way you want it, right? And then you take these little guys and you can take the picks right off and then just stick it right in there. So let me show you. You could either hot glue it or you can stick it. And this is, I'm doing this because you can change it. So you just stick that right in there and already you could be done. Isn't that cute? And then you're hanging it on a wall so you can't really see in there. But if you're gonna have it lower, again, these are still fine in there. You can take these little guys off, these little picks. They'll just pull right off. And then you can stick them in there as well. Again, right? Then you can take these guys. We're gonna stick those in there. I mean, we're gonna fill this little bad boy up. So these can just go wherever you'd like. You can pull this one up here as well because we're covering them up with these little picks, and then you can change them out as desired. You can move this one a little bit. And then this little guy, if you want him to be standing straight, you can just put him onto another one of the succulents. And it's just super cute. Not real sure I like this one here. I think I'm gonna stick him right in the middle. Just like that. And then I am gonna put this one back on there. So keep these however you'd like. And then I can put this one in there. Oh my goodness. Let's stick that guy in there. And you've got these cute little succulents. If you want to move them around, if you don't like them, just move them. That's all you got to do. And that's what I really like about this. Stick this guy in there. You can hot glue. I've got my hot glue in case you want to hot glue any of it. But you can just switch these little boogers around however you'd like. If you just want this to be filled in, go for it. So there's another one. Super cute. Love it. And there you go. So I hope you like this. And then it's got its little hanger. But you can do this however you'd like. I like it where it's covering up some of this only because I had to get that sticker off. It was horrible. If you'd like, there's options where you can use these little copper wire LED lights. They are at the Dollar Tree, only $1 as well. And they do take 2 little AA batteries. Yep, 2 AA. I thought I read AAA. But how fun would that be all tangled in there? So just a thought. If you make one of these, please show me. I love to see them. I am on Facebook, beautyandthestamper.com, and you can post your picture right on there. Okay, I cannot wait to see you again. Please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Bye!